Hi, hello. Welcome to the YouTube channel Codevthspan. In this lecture, we are going to discuss what is Java and its features. This is a new YouTube channel. Here we are going to discuss about the Java from the scratch to the advanced level. Actually, what is Java? See here, Java is one of the programming language used extensively to just because of its powerful features, which is easier to application development, such as inbuilt libraries. In Java, we have more number of inbuilt libraries. That means, for example, for printing, here we have used in Java is system.out.println. System.out.println is an inbuilt library which is provided by the Java. So there are huge number of libraries which is used to ease the application development. This is the one of the main feature which is there in the Java. And second one is the it supports OOPS concept. OOPS concept are polymorphism, encapsulation, inheritance and abstraction. What is polymorphism? Which one exhibits in the multiforms is known as an polymorphism. In coming the lectures, we discuss what is polymorphism in depth and what is encapsulation. Binding the properties into a single entity is known as an encapsulation, and the second one is encapsulation, and the third one is inheritance. Acquiring the properties from the parent to the child is known as an inheritance, and the third one is the abstraction. Hiding the internal details and the showing only its properties is known as an abstraction. By using OOPS concept, we can connect to the real world objects. It is the second feature which is used to ease the application development. And the third one is the Java is a platform independent. What does independent mean and how Java is platform independent we will see here. Actually, just wait a minute. Here we write the code. The code which we written is just understandable by the human beings. It not understandable by the machine. So this machine language only understandable by the computer, which is in the form of binary 0 and 1s. So this code is converted into the binary language by using the two translators. The first one is the compiler and the second one is the interpreter. See here in the next slide. This is the source file which we have written the program. Class name, and this is the program. This is the program which we have written. This program is also known as an source code. This is the source code we have written. So to convert the source code into the binary code, we have to follow these steps. First of all, source code is saved with the form of .java extension. Then the compilation takes place. In the compilation, just it checks the syntax. If the syntax is correct, then it generates the bytecode or machine code or intermediate code. Machine code or intermediate code, which is not understandable by the human beings and as well as the machine. So next we will process to the interpreter. Interpreter converts the code into the binary language, which is 0s and 1s. Here, for to run the JVM, interpreter is known also JVM. For the JVM, we have to require some more libraries. So that is an JRE. So combination of compilation and JRE is known as an JDK. So if we run the code in our laptops or PCs, first we have to install the JDK. In the JDK, we will get the combination of compilation and the interpretation. So when we pass this code to the compilation and then it checks the syntax, then it generates the binary bytecode or as well as machine code or intermediate code. Next, this intermediate code is passed to the interpreter. Then it will check the syntax, the errors or exceptions. Then it passes to the OS. then it is checks the convert into the zeros and ones. Here by combination of JVM and compilation is known as an JDK. So when this intermediate code, the compilation code is independent, we can write once and execute many times. If we want execute this code in the another operating system like Linux, we can, like Windows operating system also we can. So that's why it is a platform independent language. Are you understood? So it is a platform independent just because of it is a write once and we can execute many times. But you see here, this Java programming is a Java platform independent, but the JVM is a platform dependent. For each operating system we have different JVMs. So Java is a platform independent and the JVM is a platform dependent. And the next is features of Java. From in the features of Java, first of all, Java is a simple. Trust me, Java is a simple because it's the first feature is a simple, right? It is a simple, and the second one is the object oriented. Object oriented, which means which interact with the real world objects, which is used to interact with the real world objects, so it is an object oriented. In the object oriented we have main 4 pillars as we discussed earlier: polymorphism, encapsulation, and the third one is the abstraction, and the fourth one is the inheritance. And portable, what does portable mean? We write once and execute many times, and we can transfer the code from the one operating system to the another operating system, one PC to the another PC system. And the Java is a more secure than other features, and it is robust too. And why does it robust? Means it emphasizes the error handling. Here we have error handling or type checking. And the next one is the interpreted. As we discussed, it is an interpreted language and which improves the eye performance, and as well as it is a multi-threaded. Java supports multi-threading, allows concurrent execution of tasks for better resource utilization to improve the performance. Yeah, this is all about what is Java, how Java is platform independent, and features of Java. Please subscribe to the Codevthspan YouTube channel. This is the first video in this YouTube channel. From scratch to the advanced level we are going to discuss in this YouTube channel. Please hit the button to get the any updates. Thank you.